going to check his nervous system. Woo! So, when I do the baby bounce, don't even named it, I'm checking to see if his bones in his mid-back are out of alignment. And if they are, with his weight, they move back into place when I put my thumb in a certain position. And I'm going to check his hips. We call it the baby hip. Just getting motion in the sacrum, where all his nerves go to his digestive tract. Make sure that's all good, right? And then we're going to check his neck. Can I have that? Thank you. And to see if anything's off alignment. And if it is, with him moving, it will actually move back into place. So there's just slight touches, and when he moves, because it might be a little uncomfortable, it'll actually move back into place. Right? Right? That's it. That's it! And then baby kisses. And then baby kisses.